Number System Lesson 2. Let's do the factor theory. Factor theory says that number n, when represented as a raised to the power p into b raised to the power q into c raised to the power r and so on, where a, b and c, all these and so on are all prime numbers. Okay, so a, b, c are your prime factors of n. Then number of factors of n is represented by phi n, which will be equal to p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1 and so on. That is, all the powers plus 1 in the multiplication is the number of factors of n. Now the question can be asked, express n as the product of two factors. Okay, so when you get the total number of factors, that is phi n for n, you will see whether it is odd or even. If it is odd, clearly n is a perfect square, so it will have two answers. For the express n as a product of two factors, it will have two answers. Phi n plus 1 by 2 will give you product of two factors, and phi n minus 1 will give you product of two distinct factors. Okay, when total number of factors is phi n is even, then there will be only one answer, that is phi n by 2. You will get it more clear with the example. Now question can be asked this also, express n as the product of two co-prime numbers. Okay, now what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are those numbers whose HCF is 1. Okay, for example 3 and 5. For example 12 and 17. Okay, these are co-prime numbers. Why? Because their HCF is 1. Now when you have to express n as a product of two co-prime numbers, then your answer is 2 raised to the power m minus 1, where m is the prime factors. For example, as we have seen that if n is represented as a raised to power p into b raised to power q into c raised to power r, here m is 3. Why? Because total number of prime factors are how much? 1, 2 and 3. So m is equal to 3. Let's take an example. For example, number given n is 48. Now represent 48 as the factors, prime factors, 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 1. So total number of factors clearly is 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, right? Comes out to be 10. Now phi n is what? Even, right? Phi n is even. So n express n as the product of two factors, it will be clearly phi n by 2 according to our formula, that is 5. And the product of two co-prime number is what? 2 raised to power m minus 1. Now what is m here? M is 1 and 2, right? Two prime factors are there, so m is 2. 2 minus 1. So product of two co-prime numbers is 2. Now let's check whether all these three, total number of factors, product of two factors and product of two co-prime numbers, are all these three are correct or not. Okay, now represent 48 as the factors. All factors of 48 are 1 into 48, 2 into 24, 3 into 16, 4 into 12 and 6 into 18, right? You can represent 48 in all these factors. So total number of factors are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total number of factors is 10. This is correct. As we have already calculated, it is 10. Now as the product of two factors, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So product of two factors is 5. And we have also calculated this as 5 only. Of course, this is also correct. Now product of two co-prime numbers. Now let's see which two products are the co-prime numbers? 1 into 48, HCF is what? 1. So this is a co-prime number. 2 into 24, HCF is 2, not 1. So it is not a co-prime number. 3 into 16, HCF is 1. It is a co-prime number. 4 into 12, HCF is 4. It is not a co-prime numbers. 6 into 18, HCF is 6. It is not a co-prime number. So product of two co-prime numbers are 2. 1 into 48 and 3 into 16. So product of two co-prime number is 2, right? And we have also calculated as product of two co-prime number as 2 only with our formula. So it means that whatever we have done, the formulas, these are correct. So using the formulas, you can get the answer in a fast way rather than doing by the actual method like this. So use the formulas and you can get the answer fast. Suppose n is 36. Now you can represent 36 as 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 2 as their prime factors are 2, 3. Okay. Now phi n will be what? 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, that is 3. Right? Now n9 is clearly odd. So phi n is what? Odd. So now product of two factors will be what? Phi n plus 1 by 2, that is 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 5. But product of two distinct factors will be what? Phi n minus 1 by 2, that is 9 minus 1 by 2, that is comes out to be 4. And product of two co-prime numbers is equal to 2 raised to power m minus 1, that is m is what here? 1 and 2. Two prime factors are there, so m is 2. So 2 raised to power 2 minus 1 comes out to be 2. Now let's check whether all these three are correct or not. Now we can represent 36 as 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9 and 6 into 6. So total number of factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of factors are 10. Right? Which is all total number of factors are, just a minute, 6 is repeating here. So it's not 10. It's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because 6 is repeating here. Okay. So it is 9. So total number of factors we have also calculated as 9. This is correct. Now what is the product of two factors? Product of two factors is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? All these three are product of two factors. So it comes out to be 5. And we have also calculated it as 5. Right? Now product of two distinct factors is what? 1, 2 and 3. These are not distinct factors. So it is 4 only. Okay? Comes out to be 4. So product of two distinct factors comes out to be 4. Now product of two co-prime number. Let's check which pair is a co-prime. 1 into 36 HCF is 1. This is co-prime. 2 into 18 HCF is 2. Not co-prime. 3 into 12 HCF is what? 3. Not co-prime. 4 into 9 HCF is 1. Co-prime. 6 into 6 obviously is not a co-prime. So how many product of two co-prime are there? 1 into 36 and 4 into 9, that is 2. Right? And we have also calculated product of two co-prime number as 2 only. So we have checked all our answers. These are correct as we have calculated by the formula.